What do we got here? Is it a Ferrari or a Camaro? It's a 68 Camaro, bright red with a tan leather interior. Reminded me of a Ferrari when I see it. This is a class custom ride. Complete body off frame rotisserie. Underneath is red, 383 stroker, overdrive, posi, air conditioning, all the goodies that you want. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here, along with full descriptions, pictures, videos, finance information, and contacts to the sales team. There's also a QR code on the screen that you can scan at any time. It'll bring you directly to this car, or there's a link in the description. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, bright red. I'll have to find out what the color code is and buy this stuff by a 55-gallon drum. This is sharp looking. So it has a cowl hood, no issues, all straight, all clean, all nice. Clean fender. Here's a little touch up right here. They got the color right. You wouldn't find it unless you were looking for it. All straight, clean, smooth. All the way down here is smooth. The gaps are nice. The pillar's nice. No vinyl roof, just all beautiful. Red paint, all smooth along the bottom, no rust or damage. Door opens easily. Jambs are painted nicely. Again, all nice and clean, even behind the tire. Smooth, straight, all looking slick. Has the rear spoiler. All this is painted real pretty. Nice bright red finish, polished, smooth and glossy. Here's a little dab right there, just a tiny, like they touched it up with a toothpick. All clean, straight. Behind this tire is just as nice. All looking real good. Door fits beautifully. Jambs are slick on this side too, shiny. So the body and paint's amazing. I mean, that red pops. It's got a lowered stance. It's got some beautiful Billet Specialty wheels. They are 17s, I believe. Yeah, 17-inch. They're wrapped in Nitto performance tires. They are wider in the back. The emblems and the chrome and the moldings, the wiper arms are all sparkling. I'm sure that's all been replaced. Has halo LED lights. The grille, the bumpers, all very nice. The front spoiler is hanging down there. New windshield. The rest of the glass is original. Typical scratches in the back glass, that's we find on most of them. Has the extra trim on top of the doors here. The weather strips are replaced. Got a rear spoiler, got a billet rear gas cap. They look like they are LED lights too. I can see through the lenses. So you got LED tail lights and headlights. All right, why don't we open it up? I got a beautiful leather interior and an engine that looks like jewelry to show you. I'm going to show you a real pretty trunk. Well, it's painted red, but it has this really nice panel with the SS embossed. It's all nice and soft leather. The whole inside is boxed and got some stereo equipment here, some subwoofers, an amplifier, carpeted floor. It's a really nicely finished off trunk. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. As I said earlier, jambs are all painted, weather strips were replaced. Now it's a full custom leather interior, not vinyl, but leather. You can see the custom door panels with the armrests, some embossed patterns, some chrome handles. And then the interior trim is all painted bright red. The knobs and vents are replaced. 4,200 miles on the car since it's been redone. Got Pro Comp gauges. Got the rest of the gauges here. It's all a match set. You got a stereo with Bluetooth. All nicely painted, clean, all very nice. Nice carpet, upgraded from the original style. There's some nice vintage air controls here. Nice low car shifter, and it actually has a digital shift indicator here. This little compartment with a sliding storage. And all this leather is soft. It's all really nice. Obviously some custom seats, they recline, all done in nice leather, embroidered leather headrests. The back seats Also all custom, all leather. You have the same little compartment here in back. Side panels are all wrapped in leather. And the whole rear shelf and all the trim on the inside, that's all real nice. Has a one-piece custom headliner with some nice embossed patterns that match the door panels. Got some extra lighting, custom wrapped visors, new mirror, even a leather wrapped steering wheel on a tilt column. Underneath the carpet, it has all been sound deadened. Also has a complete new wiring system with the push-in blade style fuses. So that's pretty fancy interior. This car is just the whole package. Wouldn't you love to open this up at a car show and watch people's expressions? That's a 383 stroker motor. They usually make about 400 horsepower. It's got aluminum heads, has an Endurashine highly polished intake. Looks like a big dual feed Holly underneath there with an electric choke. MSD ignition in back. Some nice Chevrolet matched valve covers and air cleaner. You got nice plug wire holders, coated headers. Look at the firewalls all smoothed out. So where the inner fenders are smoothed out. You got billet hinges, billet fender supports, Optima battery. You got a nice filler panel up front here. Big aluminum polished radiator, the big electric fan. Billet front runner system. You have the mini compressor, serpentine belts, brackets, aluminum water pump, modern alternator, and again, it's all a match set, all polished power steering with the reservoir over here. It holds the fluid with braided hoses and lines. Looks like it's a set of Doug's headers, and chrome power brake system. And again, just painted up nicely. Under the hood's painted nicely. Love them billet hinges. Love the heater hoses and AC lines all tucked behind the fender. And Michael's going to show you how nice it is to drive, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
Yeah, she sounded great. Love the note coming through the exhaust. Fired right up in the showroom for me. No problem at all. Just a turn of the key. Getting a thumbs up right out the gate there. Very nice. Yeah, it doesn't take long to get a little attention when you're cruising in a car that looks this good. I think if you saw the interior, you'd be even more impressed. Feels great. Very comfortable and supportive. I do like the fact that it has reclining seats. Steering wheel's got a nice fat grip to it. And we got our air conditioner on. That feels great too. Seems like a really nice cruiser here. Let's see what she's got. All right, it's a snap. 60 miles an hour without even thinking twice. That overdrive trans shifts very smoothly. And yeah, feels great. Front end feels great here. I don't know if you can see how little I'm manipulating the wheel, but very tight, responsive steering, and feels much so more like a modern car than a 1968 model year. Thanks to all the upgrades that they did. Fabulous ride. Somebody can get in, turn the key, and drive until they get their fix. Come take it for a test drive if you'd like to, and check out more details at volocars.com.
don't know if you noticed, but I forgot to mention the little bow tie marker lights, and there are speakers perforated for the speakers underneath that rear shelf. So the body was on a rotisserie, so all components were removed from the underside of it. It's all clean metal, and it's all painted this bright red. All the steering and suspension was rebuilt when it was put back together. It is upgraded with fat tubular control arms and lowering springs. It does have frame connectors front to back, keeps it from twisting. In back, it has lowering leaf springs with gas shocks. It's got disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels. It has a new fuel system, including the tank. Nice sounding custom exhaust with stainless steel MagnaFlow mufflers. You look up at the motor, it's clean, it's a high torque starter. It's a 4L80E overdrive automatic transmission. 12-bolt rear end and back with 373 posi gears and a perfect launch aluminum girdle cover. So really, this checks all the boxes. It's beautiful, it's classy, it's fast, it's got that sizzle, that wow factor. It's got the air. It's got all the stuff that you want, all in one package here. Go to volocars.com before someone beats you to your car. Sales can help answer your questions like how to get it delivered to your door, financed, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching.